So guys, today we are going to learn recursive character text splitter. Okay, so here. Okay, so here you can see what is the recursive text splitter. Text is naturally organized into a hierarchical unit such as paragraph, sentence, and words. Okay, so we can leverage this inherent the structure to inform our splitting strategy, creating spread that maintain the natural language flow, maintain semantic coherence within the split, and adapt to varying a level of text granularity. Uh, okay, so LangChain recursive text splitter implement this concept. It attempts to keep the large unit paragraphs. If a unit exceeds the chunk size, it moves to the next level. For example, sentence. This process content down to the word level if necessary. Okay. So here you can see it try to split documents on them in order until the chunk are small enough. Okay, so here you can see in recursive character text splitter I need to upload a file here. Okay, from LangChain community dot document loader import by PDF loader. Okay, so here I am going to upload by I mean PDF. Okay, here this is the variable to load a PDF file, and this is the variable again load the load document here, and I'm going to print this, so this will give uh, okay I progress. So these are the my different documents. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so it split the documents like this. Okay, so if you have a document, then it will split in a different parts. Okay, so I have loaded document by using PyPDF. Now I am going to use this one. What is this? Character text splitter. Where is the recursive character text splitter? This is the character text splitter. Okay, so this is the recursive character text splitter. So I am going to copy this and use in my code. Now I can copy from I need to change some variable from LangChain TextSplitter import recursive character TextSplitter. TextSplitter equals to recursive TextSplitter chunk size chunk overlapping. Okay, so text equals to I'm going here no text splitter final document. Final document equals to text splitter dot split text text splitter split text splitter dot split not text. I'm going to write here documents that we can split documents split documents, and here I am going to change this variable because we don't have this variable, so we have docs. Okay, now I am going to print this final document. Okay, so this is the oh my god, this is our final document. Okay, so guys, I think you already knew about chunk size and chunk overlapping. Okay, so here you can see the maximum number of the character or token allowed in a single chunk. For example, if the chunk size is 300, each chunk will have up to 300 character. For example, we are going to take some text. So chunking is the process of breaking a large piece of text into a smaller manageable piece to make it easier to process and analyze. Okay, so here you can see if the chunk size is 40 character. Okay, if it is 40 size 40, if it is has 40 character, this one. Okay, this blue. Okay, so chunk one, how can I create chunk one? So chunk one like this. Chunking is the process of breaking then we again start from chunk to large piece of the text into smaller. Okay, so here chunk 3 is manageable piece to make it easier, and chunk 4 to process and analyze. Okay, so it will break a large sentence into a small piece of the sentence. Then it is called a chunk size. Okay, and here chunk overlapping is chunk overlapping refers the number of the character token shared between consecutive chunks. Overlapping ensure that important context is not lost when dividing the text into smaller part. Okay, so here you can see this is the text. Okay, I mean sentence or text, whatever, or its chunk size is 40. And okay, so if you have chunk size 40, then overlap of every line we overlap 10% of line. Okay, so here you can see chunk one is chunking is the process of breaking so here we are going to start another line from here, that we can't lose the information from chunk, I mean from this line. So here we start before 10% of this okay, so here you can see breaking a large piece of the text info. So now now this text, I mean this character here, this is also overlap, and this one. Okay, now we start from here. Piece is to make it easier and to process. Okay, so process and analyze. So this is the chunk. So here breaking is a part of both chunk and chunk 2, ensuring that no context is lost between the chunks. Okay, so this is called a chunk overlapping. So that's why we use chunking, chunk overlapping. Okay, and now I'm gonna print document 0 and document 1. Okay, so this is the page, this is provide document 1, and this is the document 0 and 1. Okay, and here after this, if you want to print a page content, then here you can write dot page content. So you can see page content of document first, I mean document 0, and here you can see for document 1. Okay, after that I need to print its metadata. So here I need to write metadata. Metadata means it has all content like a source, what is the file name, and HTML, whatever you have in your file. So you like this is the date, author, keywords, metadata. Okay, so here after that from LangChain community document loader import I mean I am using a PDF here. Okay, now I need to copy it, and here I am doing for text. Okay, so I need to change PDF loader into a text loader. Okay, so this is the text loader, and now I am going to change file Trump speech .txt. Here I need to comma. Here I need to put comma. That's it can read everything by using encoding. Encoding is equals to in bracket UTS 8. Okay, now I'm getting error, cannot text loader. Okay, so I need to check from LangChain community.document loader import. Oh, I mentioned 2 times loader. From 5 pdf.init got an unexpected keyword over encoding. Oh, sorry. I also need to change here. Okay. Again, error from LangChain loader encodings. Oh, it's not a UTS, it's a UTF. Loader equals to text loader trump speech.text. Okay, I have already I can check. Still I got error. Okay. Okay, so I'm doing recursive character text splitter by using text document. Okay, so I already have document, text document here. This is PDF file and this is text file. Okay, now I am going to create speech equals to input is speech. Here I'm going to open this file with open. UTF add as F. Now speech equals to f dot read. Now text splitter equals to recursive text splitter. I'm going to copy it and now I can paste it here. Text splitter equals to recursive character text splitter, chunk size, chunk overlap. Okay, so here chunk overlap this one, and final document equals to text splitter dot split document. Here I'm going text splitter, recursive character text splitter, chunk size, chunk overlapping, and text equals to. Here I want to change another name in another variable. So text dot splitter. Text equals to text dot splitter. Text underscore splitter dot create document. um, Create document speech print list index out of range. Okay, so we don't have any trump trump speech. These names are same. I need to run it again. Okay guys, so you can upload document like this. I don't know, I don't have any text enough, so I can use. I think I have mistake. Open text speech encoding as a speech equals to f dot read. Okay, so I forget to put brackets after read. Okay, so that's why we got empty text. Empty text splitter, recursive character text splitter, chunk size, chunk overlap. And here I can check text equals to text splitter, create document speech. Okay, I'm going to delete this line. Okay guys, bye bye, take care. See you. If you have any doubt, please do comment and share, subscribe. Bye bye.